Guys, welcome back again to my channel. I've told you guys that this strategy actually works for any asset class, be it forex or synthetic. So don't forget to hit the like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow us on the Telegram channel. So here I want to show you guys my student results. So he's taking a $49 to $1,300 in just a single day with this particular strategy. So this is another account which was trading, but although I told him this is too risky, so he had to step it down a little bit. And this guy is actually performing some magic here. We can see him taking a $3 to $100 in just a single trade, guys. I teach him how to do this. So this is absolutely wonderful and it's mind-blowing, guys. And even you too can do it. I'm telling you that you too can actually do this. All right, there's no magic to this, because I'm going to be teaching you how exactly I do this and how I perform this flip. Hello guys, here we are again. Today is a wonderful day and it's a bright morning, guys. So yesterday I was actually making a video on the sell trade for VIX 75. All right, so this is it. We have a sweep here according to the strategy. Then we have our protected high, which is this area here. We have our protected high. So what happened here is our protected high was actually swept. Okay, the rule of the strategy is the protected high must always be kept intact. And then here we have our structural liquidity. Here is our structural liquidity. But then again, we had our entries. Okay, let me just mark this out. Here's our POI. Our POI stands for our point of interest. So the market swept the POI and kept going to the upside. All right, so then we had our first entries somewhere around here. We had our first entry somewhere here. Okay, we had our first entry somewhere here. Now stop loss there. So the market came to this area. Okay, market came to here and then went back up, took us out. Okay, and then we entered again yesterday. So I'll be showing you reasons why we actually entered again. So for me to do that, I have to delete everything we have on the chart here for me to be able to show you that. Okay, so right here we're actually looking at this now, and you can clearly see the sweep of liquidity here. Right, that's the sweep of liquidity. We have that checked correct, and then we have a protected high. This is mainly for the sell setup. Okay, we have a protected high, and then we also have a structural liquidity, which is this. We're gonna use this. So see that the moment the market came to that area, what happened? It kept selling to the downside. I want you guys to see that. I want you guys to take note of it. So it won't be actually perfect. It's kind of difficult doing it on the phone, running the analysis on the phone. But when running it on the computer, it's kind of like sweet, guys. It's simple. It is easy. Okay, so see this. So the moment the market just entered that area, what happened? The market entered here, give us a sell confirmation. Let's see 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, you can actually see this candle. Okay, you see that candle here. So this strategy works very, very well for VIX 75 index. Please don't hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on the Telegram channel. So our target for this trade is simply here. All right, we are targeting here. All right, and our SL for this trade was, you could, for safety purpose, you can keep it here. Okay, for safety purpose. All right, but see the risk to reward. For safety purpose, your SL should be there, but for me, I think I prefer to keep it here. All right, so Why? Because if you're correct, there is no way the market is actually going to take you out there. If you're not correct, it saves you a lot of stress and a lot of money. All right, it saves you a lot of money. So that's that. I'll update you guys. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on the Telegram channel. I want to teach you strategy to a lot of people, guys. This is actually what's working on. So guys, this is what is working now, and I can gladly advise you to just forget about the indicators and just learn this, which I'm teaching you here for free. And then if you want furthermore mentorship from me, you can feel free to hit me up. Okay, so I have a VIX 25 index 1 second trade here. All right, same strategy and entry, but on the higher time frame perspective. So, but I'm still waiting for that to play out. Okay, but my major entry here is the VIX 75 index trade. Okay, so fam, here, since after some days, VIX 75 has actually decided to get to our target. Okay, so we've held this for a lot of time, for a lot of days. So you see, so after a lot of hours of holding, so VIX 75 decided to finally go to our entry. I decided to finish this video up so that I can send it to you guys so that you watch. And this is the reason why you should follow us on the YouTube channel, follow us, guys. Also subscribe, follow us on the Telegram channel, because we provide amazing and wonderful signals like this, fam. We provide wonderful signals, guys. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and stay blessed.